नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वच सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः um, so we are looking at the descendants of Ikshvaku. So Chandrasya tasya yuvanashvasya shavastah yaha purim shavastim niveshayamasa shavastasya brihadashvaha tasyapi kuvalayashvaha. So Shavasta is the son of Yuvanashva, Brihadashva is the next one, then Kuvalayashvaha who killed Dundhu nama asuram. Udakasya maharshehe apakarinam Dundunamanam asuram Vaishnavena tejasa apyayataha, being filled with the tejas, the power of Vishnu. He killed the asura called Dundhu, so he was also called Dundhumara. तस्य च तनयाः समस्ताः एव धुन्धु मुख निश्वास अग्निना विप्लुष्टाः विनेशुः. All of his children, putra sahasraihi, 21,000 children who were accompanying this Kuvalayashva or Dundumara, they were all killed or they were completely destroyed, reduced to ashes by the Agni, the fire that came from the mouth of Dhundu. Dridashva, Chandrashva, Kapilashvascha Trayaha Kevalam Seshitaha. Only 3 of them were remaining. The rest were all gone. Okay. Now we have to start from the next one. Dridhashvaha. As I told you, every small stories about some kings will be there mentioned. Dridhashvat, Haryashvaha. There is also a difference between the this reading and that reading. So, romba onnu vidyaso illa. In this Vamshavali, it's all the names are a little different. That's all. It's okay. So, Dridhashvat, Haryashvaha. From Dridhashva, Haryashva was born. And then Nikumbha was the son of Haryashva. Nikumbhasya Amitashvaha. Amitashvaha putraha. Tatascha Krishashvaha. Krishashva is the name of the son of Amitashva. Tasmacha Prasenajit. His son was Prasenajit. Prasenajitaha Yuvanashvaha Abhavat. Yuvanashva is a repeat name. Yuvanashva. இங்கேயும் இருந்தது இல்லையா? So we have another Yuvanashva. You can have Tata Peru, Peranukku types you can have, right? So Prasenajit's son was Yuvanashva. Tasya cha aputrasya adhinirvedat muninam ashrama mandale. Now this Yuvanashva, there is a small story associated with this Yuvanashva. Aputrasya tasya, he did not have any child, so atinirvedat, out of dejection completely, muninam ashrama mandale nivasataha, he was staying in the ashramam of all the rishis. So he went to, like, kind of very dejected with the world, he decided to go to the ashrama and stay there. Nivasataha dayalubihi munibihi apatya utpadanaya ishtihi krita. Nivasataha tasya yuvanashvasya. So seeing that he was completely dejected because he didn't have any children, the rishis who were in that ashrama, Dayalubihi, they were very compassionate, and hence Tasya Utpadanaya, Apatya Utpadanaya, in order to facilitate a child, the birth of a child for him, Ishtihi Krita. So they performed a yagam for him. Tasyam cha madhyaratrau Nivrittayam mantraputa jala purnam kalasham vedi madhye niveshya te munayaha sushupuhu. Tasyam atra ishtyam nivrittayam. So that when that yagam was done, it was almost midnight. Madhya ratrau nivrittayam tasyam satyam. When that yaga, that sacrifice was done, it was already in the middle of the night. So what did they do? Mantraputa jalapurnam kalasham. They did not inform him or anything. They were compassionate. They performed a yagam and they thought they will tell him in the morning and give him the prasadam, the jalam from the give his wife the water from the kalasham. So mantraputa jalapurnam kalasham. The kalasham which has water, the pot which had the water, that water was mantraputam, it was sanctified by mantras. Vedi madhye niveshya, they placed it in the middle of the Vedi, yaga Vedi stage where they performed the yagam. So the niveshya, having placed it there, te munayaha sushupuhu, those rishis fell asleep. Supteshu teshu ativa tritparitaha saha bhupalaha tam ashramam vivesha. When they were all sleeping, suddenly he woke up in the middle of the night, this Raja, Sabhupa, or he probably didn't even have sleep because he was worried so much about not having children and all that. Ativa trit paritaha, he was very suffering from extreme thirst. He entered into that ashrama where that Vedi was there and that patram was also there. Suptanschatan rishin naiva utthapayamasa, he did not wake up the rishis who were all sleeping. Tacha kalasham, there was that kalasham that he saw. Aparimeyam mahatmya mantra putam papau, he drank the water which was filled with he drank from that kalasham the water which was mantraputam, sanctified by mantras, and it had a great mahima, it had a great power which was aparimeya, which could not be measured at all. One could not understand the mahatmyam, the greatness of that water, because it was something that they did out of compassion, and they did it andakalam. So prabuddhascha rishayaha paprachuhu, the rishis woke up and then they asked, kena etan mantraputam vari pitam atrahi rajnyaha yuvanashvasya patni mahabala parakramam putram janayishyanti iti akarnya saraja ajanata maya pitam ityaha. So the rishis woke up and they said, asked everybody, kena etat mantraputam vari pitam, who drank this water which is mantraputam. Atrahi, in this kalasham, rajnyaha yuvanashvasya patni mahabala parakramam putram janayishyati, she will give birth, the wife of Yuvanashva will give birth to a child who is mahabala parakramam. He will give rise to a great king. இதுதான் மாந்தாத்தான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். மகாபல பராக்கிரமம் புத்திரம் ஜனயிஷ்யதி, the queen who drank this will give birth to a great son, a mighty son. Ityakarnya, hearing this, saha raja, he spoke. I should have put some open quotes here. Ajanata maya pitam iti saraja aha. So the king said, ajanata, I did not know, not knowing I drank the water. Garbhascha yuvanashvasya udare abhavat kramena cha vavridhe. So Yuvanashva, the garbha happened inside Yuvanashva's stomach. So he conceived the child, and in due course it also grew. The child grew inside Yuvanashva's stomach. Prapta samayaha dakshinam kukshim avanipatehe nirbhidya nischakrama. So prapta samayaha, when in due time the child opened dakshinam kukshim avanipatehe dakshinam kukshim nirbidhya, it ripped open, it ripped apart the right side of the stomach, and the child came out, nishchakrama. Sacha asau raja mamara, and the king also died. Punarjanma, usually even for a woman when she gives birth to a child. Sacha asau raja, and that king also died at that time upon the birth of that child. Jataha nama eshaha kam dhasyati iti te munayaha prochuhu. Who will dhasyati na dhatri rupena, whom jataha eshaha kam dhasyati, whom will it seek for milk or for nurturing. Abdina, they were all questioning each other. They were talking about it. So, jataha eshaha, jataha nama eshaha. Right? This child who is now born, kam dhasyati. Dhasyati nama, whom will he approach for nurturing, for poshanartham kam dhasyati. Iti. So, kaha asya dhatri bhavishyati, who will become the wet nurse. Atha agatya devarajaha abravit mam ayam dhasyati iti. So Devaraja, Indra came there and he said, he will have me as the Dhatri, nurse. Tataha Mandhatrinama Saha Abhavat. Mandhata cha Mahipatihi. Among the great kings, we count Mandhata also as one of them. So mam dhasyati iti mam dhata. So mandhata. Dhata trich pote solraranga. Dha dhatuku trich. So the name itself is mandhata iti. Saha abhavat. Vaktre cha asya pradeshini devendrena nyasta tam papau. Asya vaktre mandhatuhu vaktre, in the mouth of Mandhata, Devendrena, by Devendra, by Indra, Pradeshini Nyasta, his forefinger, the first finger. Pradeshini nale
thumb இல்லையா?
ஆள்காட்டி
right
விரல்.
thumb நினைக்கிறேன்.
தம்பா ஆள்காட்டி விரல். பிரதேஷினின்னு காண்பிக்கிறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஃபோர் ஃபிங்கர் தான். அங்குஷ்டமா போட்டிருக்கு டிரான்ஸ்லேஷன்லலாம் இல்லையே. பிரதேஷினி வந்து இதுதான் உங்களுக்கு ஆள்காட்டி விரல்னு தான் எடுத்துக்கணும். அப்படி அங்குஷ்டம் போட்டிருந்தா அது தப்பு எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு.
இங்க வந்து தர்ஜனி போட்டிருக்காங்க.
தர்ஜனின்னா இதுதானே மிரட்டுற விரல். மிரட்டுற விரல் தான், அங்குஷ்டம் இல்லை. ஸோ பிரதேஷினிங்கிறச்சு பிரதேசனம்னாலே காண்பிக்கிறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். டு ஷோ நிர்தேசா பிரதேசா இது. ஸோ அதனால தான் தமிழில் நம்ம ஆள்காட்டிங்கிறோம்.
இதுல வந்து அங்குட்டே கி பாஸ் கி சொல்றது.
அங்குட்டே கி பாஸ் கி தரி. அப்போ the finger that is next to the thumb, which is your forefinger. Okay. Pradeshini, the forefinger was placed inside the mouth of the child, and tam papau, it drank from that finger. Appo amritam dane, because devanam tu tatra poshanam amritameva, and devas have become like this because of that amritam. So it means that amritam flowed through that forefinger from Indra to Mandhata. Tam cha amritasravinim aswadya anhaiva saha vyavardhata. Anha eva, within a day itself he grew. So tam amritasravinim aswadya, having tasted that amritam, that nectar which was flowing from the finger of from the finger of Indra, he immediately grew within a day. And the anhangarது திருத்தியம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, that திருத்தியா ஒரு சூத்திரம் இருக்கு, பலசமாப்தி அப்படின்னு ஏதோ ஒன்று இருக்கு. When it indicates palasamapti, then you have to use tritiya there. Abdina, within a day itself he had completely become a grown man. That's what it means, within a day. Mandhata cha mahipatihi kritayuga alankara bhutaha. Tatastu Mandhata Chakravarti Saptadvipam Mahim Bubhuje Ada Kritayuga Alankara Bhutaha Saha. So he immediately became a Chakravarti right then and there, within a day itself. He had grown and he became a Chakravarti. He enjoyed the Saptadvipam Mahim. He enjoyed all the 7 the islands in this Bhumi. He was the single Chakravarti there. Tatha तत्र अयं श्लोकः यावत् सूर्यः उदेति अस्तं यावच्च प्रतितिष्ठति सर्वं तद् यौवनाश्वस्य मान्धातुः क्षेत्रमुच्यते. यावत् सूर्यः उदेति, as long as the sun is rising, இங்க வந்து டைம் எடுத்துக்கூடாது, wherever the sun is rising until the place where it is going and setting, yavatu astam yati, atra tu desha vyavaharaha natu kala vyavaharaha. So yavatu completely all meroho, right from starting from Meru to whatever expanse the sun traverses, udayastamana paryantam yadyad vidyate bhumau tat sarvam, everything that comes within the sun's rising and setting. All of those things. Tat sarvam Yauvanashvasya Mandhatuhu Kshetram. That is the space, or that is the country of Mandhata, who is the son of Yuvanashva. Mandhata Shatabindoho Duhitaram Bindumatim Upayeme. Mandhata married the daughter of Shatabindu, who is known as Bindumati. Purukutsam Ambarisham Muchukundam cha Tasyam Putratrayam Utpadayamasa. He had 3 sons, Purukutsa, Ambarisha and Muchukunda. எல்லாம் ஒருத்தருக்கும் there is some story there, right? அம்பரீஷா நமக்கு பூச்சிக்குந்தா எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு இது இருக்கும் புராண கதை. So anything that is left out here, we will see it in other places, in other Puranas. That's why you have 18 Puranas and several Upapuranas. Panchashat Duhitaraha, 50 daughters. Tasyameva, Tasya Nripatehe Babhuvuhu. He also had 50 daughters with Tasyameva, Bindumatyameva, with Bindumati for that king Yauvanashva Mandhata. So he had 3 sons and 50 daughters. Tasmin Antare, in the meantime, Bahurachaha Saubharihi Nama Maharshihi Antarjale Dwadashabdam Kalam Uvasa. Tasmin Antare, in the meantime, as this Ikshvaku Vamsha was proceeding, right? In this meantime, Bahurachaha, one who has a great learning, Rik Nama, Rigveda Adhyanam Akarotiti, Bahurachaha, one who has the knowledge, Vedic knowledge. So Saubharihi Nama Maharishihi, there is a Saubhari Rishi, Antarjale, inside the water, Dwadashabdam for 12 years. He was Kalam Uvasa, he stayed under the water for 12 years doing tapas. Tatracha Antarjale, Sammadaha Nama Atibahu Prajaha, Adimatra Pramanaha, Meenadhipatihi Asit. So there was a king of fishes. Ati Bahu Prajaha. It had many children. Bahu Prajaha. Adimatra Pramanaha. It was also huge in size. Antarjale, and its name was Sammada. It was present there. Asit. This fish was present, and that fish was huge in size. It also had a lot of descendants, Bahu Prajaha, and it was living in that water where Saubhari was doing tapas for 12 years. Tasya cha putra pautra duhitraha, his children, putraha, pautraha, sons, duhitraha, dauhitraha, daughters, children, all of them were surrounding this Sammada, this fish. Prishtataha, agrataha, parshvayoho, paksha, puchha, shirasamcha, upari, brahmantaha, tenaiva sada aharnisham adinirvritta remire. The cartoon la vara madri irukum. There are all of its children, grandchildren, and other great grandchildren, whatever, all of them were prishtataha, behind this huge fish, or agrataha, in front of it, or parshvayoho, on both sides, paksha, wings, pucha, tail, shiras, talel, upari, brahmantaha. They were all roaming around this he is like the patriarch of the family, with all of the other small fishes roaming around this big fish. Tenaiva sada aharnisham putra pautra dauhitraha atinirvrittaha remire. So all of these small fish and children and everything else, they were remire, they were playing happily, atinirvrittaha, being extremely satisfied, aharnisham, day and night, tenaiva sada, tenaiva nama sammadena sada eva te remire. All of these small fish were playing with this sammada, this big fish. Sacha apatya sparsha upachiyamana praharsha prakarshaha बहुप्रकारं तस्य ऋषेः पश्यतः तैः आत्मजपुत्र पौत्र दौहित्रादिभिः सह अनुदिनं सुतरां रेवे. स च तु अत्र सम्मदः. So this sammada, Meenadhipatihi, this fish also, Sutaram Reme Anudinam. Every day it was also playing or spending its time very happily along with the Taihi Atmaja Putra Pautra Dauhitradibihi Saha, along with all of its descendants, like this. Bahuprakaram, in many ways, it spent its day like this, being very happy. Praharsha Prakarsha. Prakarsha nama Utkarsha. ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் ஹாப்பினஸ் உபச்சீயமான. இட் வாஸ் அப்படியே வளர்ந்துட்டே இருந்ததுன்னு அர்த்தம். த சில்ட்ரன் வேர் ஆல் கம்மிங் அண்ட் டச்சிங், அண்ட் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் டச் இட் வாஸ் பூரிச்சு போகிறதுங்கிறோமோ இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி பூரிச்சு போய் அது வளர்ந்துட்டே இருந்துதான். ஸோ அபத்திய ஸ்பர்ஷ உபச்சீயமான பிரஹர்ஷ பிரகர்ஷா. Its happiness was constantly being increased by the touch of its children, of its young ones, every day. So this seemed to increase his happiness. And the Saubhari Maharishi was a witness to this entire thing that is happening in front of him. Atha Antarjale அவதஹ சௌபரிஹி. இல்லை, தப்பாக இருக்கும், ஒரு நிமிஷம். அந்தர்ஜல அவஸ்திதா, சாரி, நாட் அவதஹ, அவஸ்திதான்னு இருக்கணும். ஸோ அந்தர்ஜலே அவஸ்திதா. ஸோ அந்தர்ஜலாவஸ்திதா சௌபரிஹி ஏகாக்ரதः சமாதிம் அபஹாய அனுதினம் தஸ்ய மத்ஸ்யஸ்ய ஆத்மஜபுத்திர பௌத்திர தௌஹித்ராதிபிः சஹ அதிரமணீயம் லலிதம் அவேக்ஷ்ய அச்சிந்தயத். ஸோ லலிதம் நாம கிரீடா. It was a beautiful krida that was happening between that Meenadhipati and his children. Matsyasya Atmaja Putra Pautra Dauhitradibihi Lalitam Krida Avekshya, Kridam Avekshya Achintayate. He thought about it. So what was happening? Antarjala Avasthitaha, being present inside the water. Saubharihi, the Saubhari Maharishi, Ekagrataha Samadhim Apahaya. He stopped his Samadhi, which was ekagra. Ekagra chittattvena saha samadhau asit. Aduna tu ekagrata samadhanam apahaya. He removed that samadhi. He came out of that samadhi avastha and he looked at this krida, this play that was happening between the huge fish and its descendants, which was, they were all playing so beautifully and enjoying all of these things. He looked at it and thought, aho धन्योयम ईदृशम अनभिमतम योन्यंतरम अवाप्य एभिः आत्मज पुत्र पौत्र दौहित्रादिभिः सह रममाणः अतीव अस्माकं स्पृहाम् उत्पादयति. It seems to increase my स्पृहा. எனக்கு என்னுடைய ஆசையை வளர்க்கறதுங்கிற. It awakens a pleasure in me. It's actually dhanyaha I am. How fortunate this person is, this jiva is, because this jiva idrisham anabhimatam yoni antaram prapya avapya api. Yonyantaram garsa anya yonihi yonyantaram. It is some other yoni, in the sense it is a aquatic birth that he has got. It is not a manushya janma. Janmanam manushya janma durlabham ityadi uktam kalu, narajanma durlabham. Adillada, he is born in a matsya kulam, and it is anabhimatam. It is a lowly creature's life. Yet what is it doing? It is spending its time very happily. Ebihi atmaja putra pautra dauhitradibihi saha ramamanaha, playing with all of its descendants. Ativa asmakam spriham utpadayati. It is increasing my desire. It is awakening a desire in me. Utpadayati. Vayamapi, I too want to be like this. Evam putradibihi saha lalitam ramsyamahe. I will also be happy with my children in this manner. Iti evam abhikangshan, thinking thus, antarjalat nishkramya, he came out of the water and santanaya niveshtu kamaha. Niveshaha niveshanam nama vivahaha. So or nirveshtu kamaha, also enjoying. அப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம். Depends on the reading that you have. இத்தேவம் அபிகாங்ஷன்னு wishing thus சஹா சௌபரிஹி Tasmad antarjalata nishkramya. He came out of the insides of the water, the samudra. Santanaya niveshtu kamaha. For the sake of children, he wanted to get married. Kanyartham. Now he needed a wife. So he approached Mandhata. Mandhataram Rajanam Agachat. He approached Mandhata for a child. He had 50 children, right? 50 daughters. Agamana Shravana Samanantaram Cha Uthaya Tena Rajnya Samyag Arghyadina Sampujitaha Kritasana Parigraha Saubharihi Uvacha Rajanam. Agamana Shravana Samanantaram cha. As soon as hearing the news of his arrival, he had not even come. Immediately the Raja stood up, got up, Uthaya. Rajnya Samyak Arghyadina Sampujitaha Saubarihi. Saubari was then Sampujitaha. He was worshipped by giving the offerings of Arghyam, etc. Krita Asana Parigraha. Saubari also took up an asanam. He sat down and he spoke to Mandhata. Saubari Ruvacha. Niveshtu Kamosmi Narendra Kanyam. Now it is interspersed with Gadyam and Padyam. This is the first Champu styling. Niveshtu Kamaha Asmi Narendra Kanyam Prayacha me mam pranayam vibhangshihi. Me ma pranayam vibhangshihi. Nahyarthinaha karyavashad upetaha kakutsthavamshe vimukhav prayanti. Aham niveshtu kamaha. Kanyam prayacha me. Pranayam ma vibhangshihi. 3 sentences here. Hey Narendra, O king, aham niveshtu kamaha asmi. I wish to marry right now. Kanyam prayacha. Give me your daughter. Me Kanyam prayacha. Or me pranayam ma vibhangshihi. Don't break our friendship. Pranayam is friendship here. You know, this goodwill with which I have come right now, do not disappoint me. Disappoint my affection, or do not disappoint me. Don't break this relationship that we have right now. Nahi arthinaha karyavashatu upetaha arthinaha kakutstavamshe vimukhaha na prayanti. Yeah. That na should go with this. Karyavashatu upetaha arthinaha. Arthinaha, those who have come with a goal in mind, with something in their mind, some prayojanam in their mind. Karyavashat, because of some work that they have, right? Kakutstha Vamshe, in the Vamsha, in the lineage of Kakutstha, Vimukhaha na prayanti. Puranjaya is Kakutstha. Yeah? I hope I can remember this name. Kakutstha Vamshe, Vimukhaha na prayanti. They are not sent. It is not the practice of the kings of the Kakutstha Vamsha, the Kulam, to turn away. Vimukhaha. From completing the wishes of the people who come with some kind of a wish in their mind. That you should not turn me away. Vimukhaha na prayanti. They don't turn their face away and go away. This is a Arthantaranyasa Alankaram. So I have come here in order to I want to get married. Give me your daughter. Don't try to break this friendship. Usually people who come to the race of Kakutstha will never go back with their desires unsatisfied. Anyepi santyeva nripaha prithivyam mandhataha esham tanayaha prasutaha kintu arthinam arthita dana diksha kritavratam shlagham idam kulam te. There are many kings here. Prithivyam, in this on this earth, Anye santi nripaha, anye nripaha santyeva, anyepi nripaha santyeva. Other kings are there. I know. I accept. He mandataha. This is a sambodhana pratama. Mandhatara ulya rikaranta. Adla he pitaha, he mandataha. He mandataha. Yesham tanayaha prasutaha anyepi nripaha santyeva prithivyam. There are other kings also, and they have children. They have given birth to daughters too. येषां प्रसूताः तनयाः अपि सन्ति एव किन्तु but you are born in a kulam, your kulam, te kulam, shlagyam, it is indeed praiseworthy because you have taken up the vratam, krita vratam, that is of a diksha, a vow to danam, a vow to give only what is being asked by people. Arthinam arthitam yat vartate tasya dana dikshayam krita vrataha. வேண்டுபவர்களின் வேண்டுகோளை கொடுப்பதின் தீட்சையை விரதமாக மேற்கொள்பவர்கள் அந்த மேற்கொள்ளும் குலத்தில் பிறந்தவன் நீ இல்லையா அதுதான் உன் குலம் இட்ஸ் தி ஐடென்டிஃபிகேஷன் மார்க் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் ஹூ ஆர் பார்ன் இன் திஸ் குலம் that you will provide only what the person asks not direct him to somebody else idam shlagyam kulam te shatartha sankhyaah तवसन्ति कन्याः तासां ममैकां नृपते प्रयच्छ यत्प्रार्थनाभङ्गभयात् बिभेमि तस्मादहं राजवराति दुःखात् हे राजवर तव शत अर्ध संख्याः कन्याः सन्ति you have 100 divided by 2 50 daughters இல்லையா சத அர்த்தம் ஷடர்த்த நயனஹ அப்படின்னு பரமேஸ்வரனுக்கு பேர் ஷடர்த்த நயனஹான்னா half of 6 ஸோ 3 त्रिनेत्रः सः इति அந்த மாதிரி இங்கே शतार्ध संख्याः 100 divided by 2 so you have 50 daughters तासाम् एकां मम प्रयच्छ हे नृपते हे राजवर among them give me one of those 50 that is enough you have 50 daughters give one of them to me so that yat prarthana bhanga bhayat aham tasma prarthana bhanga bhayat tasmat ati dukkat aham bibemi iti karanat tasam mama ekam prayachha yat yasmat karanat aham I fear this great dukkham. The moment I ask you, if you don't satisfy my desire, prarthana bhangam, then I fear that. Fearங்கிறது இங்கே வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி ஆங்ஷியஸாக இருக்கிறது அவ்வளோதான் அதி துக்கம் because it is going to give me extreme sorrow. He thought that he has to have the same life that some other, that fish is having. So it is going to give him dukkam if Mandhata doesn't come and doesn't offer a daughter. And further it is also dukkham because someone who has been born in this kulam is behaving like this so sahatu kula deepakaha nasti ityeva khalu then that is why it is a great source of disappointment for rishis if the king is not a good king adukkaga solra so tasmad ati dukkat from that great worry of prarthana bhanga bhayam of this fear of my desire being squashed totally bibhemi I fear that because of that reason you give me one of your daughter in marriage yeah daughter's hand in marriage Shri Parashara Uvacha iti rishi vachanam akarnya this is in gadyam hearing the rishi's words of this kind sa raja jara jarjarita deham rishim alokya he looks at the rishi whose body is just jara jarjaritam the body is completely suffering because of jara of old age completely emaciated because of old age jarjaritamna vela velathu poirukkuradunu artham rishim alokya pratyakhyana kataraha he's afraid of sending him away also pratyakyanam nama refusing afraid to refuse afraid to refuse him tasmacha shapabitaha also he is afraid of a shapam coming from the rishi a curse being cursed by the rishi bibhyat being afraid kinchit adhomukaha he stood for a long time thinking with his head down adhomukasan he bent his head down and chiram dadhyau he kept on thinking for a long time saubarihi uvacha saubari again spoke narendra kasmat samupaishi chintam asahyamuktam namayatra kinchit why are you now thinking so much I have not said anything that is asahyam. It is not something intolerable for you. No? This is something very normal that I have said. Why are you thinking so much about it? Hey Narendra, kasmat, for what reason chintam samupaishi? Why have you gotten into this worry? Maya asahyam na kinchit uktam. I have not said anything that is intolerable, that you can't tolerate, that you have to bow down your head in such thought. I have not asked anything that you cannot give immediately. Ya avashyadeya tanaya taya eva kritarthata naha yadi kim na labdham. So अन्वयम् एप्पडिना या तनया avashyadeya, if it is a daughter, she is someone who has to be given in marriage to someone. Avashyadeya, you have to give her away in marriage. Avashyadeya taya, by that daughter, taya tanaya naha kritarthata, we will be gratified. That is, my desired will be satisfied here. Kritartham enakku erpadum abdingra. So, and I will also be grateful to you if you give your daughter, who has to be anyway given away in marriage. If I am satisfied because of this, yadi naha kritarthata tarhi kim na labdham tvaya, then what is not achieved by you? Right? Appadina, by you giving your daughter in marriage to me, a rishi, what is not achieved by you? You would have gotten everything that you desire, either this world or that world, because kanyadanam tu sarvadaneshu pradhanam iti uktam. So that is why he says, once you do kanyadanam, then what is not obtained by you? You would have obtained everything. So he will answer now. We will see that next class. Narayanam namaskritya naran chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vacham tatho jayamudiraet.